Hello students, today our topic is cell shape and size. Smallest cells are bacteria cells that is called mycoplasmas, which diameter is between zero point 0.1 micrometer to 1.0 micrometers. The longest cells are muscle and nerve cells and cell size and shape related to cell function. It means if the cell size and shape is increased, the cell function will be increased. Waste production and demands of nutrients are directly proportional to cell volume. It means that if cell volume is being increased, the waste production and demands of nutrients also will increase. In life, it is important to note that when your structure has an increased surface area, there is an increase in the functioning of that structure.